how do I change the font of my text in Illustrator. So this is what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. Now I have here some text. Actually I don't have, but to add some text, click on T, and then here we have text, or use the shortcut T. Now click one time, hold Control and then drag. Now we have this text and we like to change the font. So what you have to do here to change the font is go to character here. You see character, okay? So character here, and from here you can change the font. Now you can also go to window here, go to window, and then just look for character. I'm gonna click on here, and then I'm gonna find type and then character. All right, and here with this character here we can also highlight, and then here search some font we like to use. So here we can type the font, of course, and then we can also scroll and see which font we like to use for our design. And it's good to, you can also go here, you can also click on this, and here you have other settings. You can also go to window, type, and here you have other options, character, style, graphs, so a lot of options. And now that's basically how you change the font. But make sure you watch the second part of this video, because I'm going to show you something very cool that you can do with font in Illustrator. Now, as I said before, I'm going to show you a couple of things you should know after you learn to change a font. In my opinion, you should know that after you change the font, you should actually, we click here, actually go here and edit. Let me zoom in. So edit, preferences, and type, and here just increase the size and landing to about 200. And now let's click again. Let's type here. Here we have some text, right? Now I'm gonna change this text again. So click on text, oblique. I'm gonna use this one. And now you should know that, at the end, if you want to save this, send this to someone, you should convert this to a shape. And I will show you later on how to convert it. But for now, for now, a couple of things you should keep in mind is that, is that you have this text here and you like to transform this text. Well, you can do it from here. You can transform this, and another thing that I really like is that you can go to appearance, and then here we have this text, but I'm gonna click on add new field, and now here in a new field we have here new field, but we can go and click on this sort transform and click on transform now, and now we can add here one preview. Of course we need preview, and now here increase copies. Oh, probably that's too much, but just click like this. Now we have a field. We don't have stroke, but what we have here is this effect. But to change this, if you change this, it's gonna change the entire thing, which is fine. But what you can do here now is we can change the color as I showed you, but we have this effect like this. But what you can do is, let's click again, add to, add this first white and stroke. Well, we could need some stroke, like in the previous example I showed you before. You can even add a stroke here and it will look like this, something like this. You know, if you like this effect, you should be using this one. But you know, I like actually to remove this one and another one. The first one should be white or whatever color you want, and then I'm gonna select this color. I'm gonna hold Alt and then select on this one, sorry, hold Shift, and then just decrease this, and now just decrease the color as well, like so. And now let's go to transform, path, and then offset. Now here, let's select this offset to 2. We can see preview or 3, and then click OK. And now for the other one, just grab, and if you put it down here, you should be second here. First should be this one, and then the other one. And let me move this here. And now here should we should change, click on this and then distort and transform 1 and then 1, and then just increase copies. Now you should have this effect. That's too much. Let's add here 12 maybe, and now click OK. Now we have this text, and this text is still editable. But another thing here is right click, and that's the video, and that's the part where I'm showing you how to transform this in a shape. So we can now we have this here. We can go to type. We can go to type, and then here in type, click on type and then select your create outline. And now this is an outline, and something important here, go to select direct selection, and then if you grab like this, you should have this effect, this rounded effect, which looks pretty nice. Something like this. And you know, some letters here you can still edit them. That's something you should know as well, like, you know, partially, like every letter you have this one here, this one, this one. So you can edit a font. So you have this font here, you can still edit this font. So let's say you can, because we turn this into a shape now, you can of course edit this shape. Maybe with the pencil you can go like this, and or with the paint you can turn this. Also double click here and increase the smoothness, and now you can paint like this. You can create some really interesting shapes. Even if you want to be precise, you should use the pen tool. Here we have pen and the curve. So can or press D or change from this X to change from foreground to the fill and stroke, from fill and stroke, sorry. And now here you can create this, and now change the color. So if you want any color you want, pretty easy. And it's good that you can, you know, just turn this into a different shape. Gotta be careful, but you know, you can just disable this, turn the remove actually this color, and then with the fill, not with the fill, but remove the fill, and for this stroke, you can add a stroke now, and that's another way. You can now go to this this pencil, right click and select smooth tool. Right, and now we can smooth this tool. If you want to smooth this even more, go to object, path, and now simplify. As you can see, pretty nice. Can just create very nice shapes. So I hope you found this video helpful. This tips, and also I showed you at the beginning of this video how to change the font, but also a couple other things, tips, and just to expand this for those that are just complete beginners and want to learn Illustrator. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.